Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest and this is Chatyetu. This is how this application looks like. I want to explain to you step by step and show you around tutorials about Chatyetu. We shall go deeper and explaining some of the features that Chatyetu comes with. Stick here to the end, and if it's your first time hearing this voice, if it's your first time you're getting me from this application today, thank you. What you have to do is click the subscription button and follow me, because I produce videos that will take you through how to make money online. Of course, under these tutorials about Chatyetu, I'll tell you why this is a boom and this is the first one and this is the best application you'd use for you to purchase and also to sell most of your things online and have a lot of money to your pocket. Now stick here, because at the end we want just to pick a few things. I just want to show you around, so follow me until to the end. In a few, let's go inside. Now this is Chatyetu. I created my account today and this application looks quite nice, very responsive. It has a lot of features. As you can see, this is what is my story. Of course, this is my dashboard. As you can see, I just made some few posts and made up my account. It's running, it's nice. You follow people, they follow you, and things are good. It's nice, it's nice. So what you have to do is, the best thing about this application is it has integrated with Facebook and even Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So you can have around, when you do your own posts, they will be able to be seen and people will follow you all throughout your social media. Now, I just want to take you step by step, all right? Do you follow me? Do you like me? Now, let me know if you want this application. I have the link in the description box. So make sure you click the link and download this application, and let's see what this Chatyetu it's all about. Now today, this is my timeline. As you can see, I made this one post. It has also hashtags. You can use hashtags. At the same time, this application gives you some of the trending hashtags. So it's kind of Twitter, it's kind of Facebook, and then I'll show you some of the best that I love, some of the best features that Chatyetu has that maybe other platforms do not have. Okay, so stick here to the end, because I'll have most of these series videos on this application. I hope you love me. So if you love me and you love my content, you want to make money online, you are looking at a permanent solution on to resolve your permanent income, to add something in your pocket, to have some work from home, working online, how to make money online in Kenya, then stick to this YouTube channel. Why? Because at the end, I'll give you some of the tips that can help you to start selling and making your own business with zero investment. My name is Ernest. Stick here to the end and we shall be kicking out. I produce my video, you'll be the first one to get. You know, it's quite good to inform people some of the things that you go through and some of the things, some of the life experiences. And today, because I focus most on online material, online websites, online apps and applications about how to hustle online and give yourself some income, right? Especially when you're a student, if you're just a work from home mom, you just a nanny, and sometimes you get a time when you have your free internet and free time and you want to add something in your pocket, receiving this cash online. It's possible and it works out very well, and so many people have done a lot of marvelous things and got a lot of thousands and thousands of money just right from home. Now let's look at this Chatyetu. On this application, what you need to do to see is you'll hover around and see some of features that they have. Now looking at this, we are home and this is my account, Ernest Digits or Ernest Wawire, whatever, that's my name, thank you. And then you can click here and see some of the notifications. So far I don't have notification, but if you have notification, you'll find them here. At the same time, there is this now hashtags. These are the hashtags that have gone so round. As you can see, Chatyetu is trending at 17 posts. Again with Bonito at 14 points. We 14 hashtag. 14 hashtags. We have Bonito 7 hashtags, Eldoret 4 posts, and so forth. So, which means you capitalize on the top trending charts and now start trending too, and you'll reach more people and more. So how do you gain friends? How do you get now this one charts? And I love the way it's organized. I love the way it's very responsive and how it's organized. As you can see, there are charts, and then there's that location icon on your top left, which means you can use that to get more friends who are around you and they will follow you up. And then you can see groups. You can join most of the groups, and then we have pages too for people who have a lot of, who are creating maybe business pages and so forth. So that is it. So, and when you click on the 3 lines down there, now this is where it becomes quite nice. All right, now there is a profile for you. You can click that, and this is my profile. You can now click the link down there and follow me, right? Click and follow me, and then let's chat more. As you can see, I have 16 followers. You can be the 17th one, right? You can also check our you can see on my my profile, it's quite similar to what you have on your Facebook. That's my personal branding. You can click on the link here to start watching most of these videos and the ones I've provided. And at the same time, I have 16 people, and I need to add more other followers so we can follow each other. You can follow me. You can see some of the likes, some of the followers that I have right now, and the ones I'm following, you can see them. And let's look now, go back, and then if you want to see following, if you want to follow your friends, now these are our friends, the ones I'm following right now. I have Linux, hi Linux, and so forth. So, and it keeps on adding as we continue following other people. And then we have box, we have albums, and then we have images. In this Chatyetu platform, you can just hover around and check the images that each and every person has posted, and at the same time, you can check the videos. If there are other videos, you can check them here, and the videos will all come here, and you can watch them from one video to the other. And then you can see some groups, if there are any. And if you want to add another group, or maybe you can click here and create your own group, and you'll use your username, you write about it, is it private or public, right? And then keep save. Now, after that, we have another item. We have pages. If you want to create a page, is it a business page or it's what? You can explore some of the pages here. Then the best thing about writers, if you're a writer and you love to write and express yourself in writing, you can start your own articles, write them here, right? These articles are all for purposes of expressing yourself, and you can use this platform to sell your items or your services online, or tell people what you do and what you know. So we are focusing at how to make money online. So this, make sure whatever I'm telling you here, whatever I'm explaining, is put your mind sharp, that we are going to look at items or features that can help us prosper, especially when it comes to online material and selling. So we have also our marketplace. That's the best place. I love that. So you can list your products and choose your location. Of course, when you have products here, you see this one is selling a very nice guitar at $45. We have this Boniface Amwai. We have Pioneer Vincent Kibeti selling a good guitar at $45 US, and this t-shirt goes at $7. So the marketplace is so wide. You can choose vehicles. You can move around and see baby and children products. You can check beauty and so forth as you continue computer and so forth. And you can also filter some of the distance that you want to receive those items. So take, for example, if people have listed items away from you where you can reach, you can pull these this filter here and see you want a 42 kilometers somewhere near you, and then you can refresh. You'll see. And if you want another product, you can click here and sell your products. Of course, we are sellers and we do business, so this is a best place for us to start making money online. Now, another item, another feature that I see, you can scroll around and see some of the popular posts. Okay, you can see some of the popular posts that people have liked, people have shared. So these are some of the popular posts that I can come out here and find them. I'm boring babe, all I do is make money and go back home. Right, that's the best one. V Mutai has said, I'm boring babe, all I do is make money and go back. I love this one. Oh, I love it. And some of the posts that we have so far to my followers. Now, another feature that's so amazing is the calendar. You can schedule your polls and also give put your reminders there. Then you can also find friends within some locations. You put your GPRS on, and when you put your GPRS on, you can now check around. Yeah, let me say off, and then when you say on, you'll find that we have our Chatyetu application around that area. And then when you get back, you'll see some of friends. It's still searching. You'll find some of the friends which are nearby. Right, these are nearby friends whom you can now follow, and then they will follow you back, and then you start chatting so far. And then you can also at the same time filter down here. This one is a filter. You can filter some of the friends you want, the gender, and then the status, the relationship you want, how you want it. Are you looking for only females? This is so much when it comes to those people who are looking for partners and so forth. You can just filter and get only females, or if you're interested in only male, or if you're all looking for, or at the same time you can look at the distance, how many which friends are you looking for near you, and then offline or all, you can pull that. Then the relationship, it can be all, or you can choose in relationship or in single or what, and then you can choose the friends that you love. And at the same time, the best now part comes here. My wonderful area is this is the place where you'll find jobs. Ensure that you also find these jobs. If you are looking for a job, if you're looking for some job, you are there, maybe you finish your high school, college, and you're looking for something to do, you can come here and do that. I think this is one of the best Kenyan applications that we can use as our own social media and market ourselves, just like China have done that, and they are doing well with their on social media application, which has everything and it's quite well monitored by the government. So you can write something here. If I want to post something, you can click here and write something using hashtags and mentions. It will go viral. You'll have a lot of likes, a lot of links, and so forth. Now, besides that, I wanted to show you something here about how you can integrate your social networks and so forth. Let me say general account. This one is a general account, and the best part about this general account is that you can also include your social networks. All right, as you can see here, I have my Facebook account linked, I have my Twitter account linked, I have my LinkedIn, Instagram, and also YouTube as we move on. So Google Plus, I don't think if it's working right now. Google Plus was pulled down by Google. It doesn't work nowadays. So this is one of the applications that I love so much. As Honest Digits, make sure you click on the link below and follow me. I'll follow you back. And at the same time, if you need this application, make sure you download this application. It's quite nice. Click it and join us as we move on. Make sure you watch most of my videos that I produce about how to make money online. My name is